Just when you thought Volvos couldn't get any better. They can't. They're already peak. That's what the kids are saying. Welcome back to the Skilled Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. Quick one today on the new Furatech systems for the Ascent 18. Now, there's two that are out there. There's the one that I've got installed here. This is the Cedar 1825 brushless motor paired with the Furatech Torpedo brushless power system with receiver for the Red Cat Ascent 18. And this is one option. Where's the other one? The other option being a more beginner style setup with the Venom motor and the same ESC. I just don't think this one has the Bluetooth capability, but you do also get a receiver for this one, which is pretty great, because that means you can use the included radio. You don't have to upgrade or change your radio or worry about buying another receiver. It's all included, everything you need to get you started. And this is a much better power system for the Ascent 18. The brushed motor that comes with it, not the best, not the worst, but not the best. This just takes your Ascent 18 to a whole different level and really does amp up the performance significantly. More torque, more speed, more power, baby. Furatech has been doing a lot of really amazing things in the small scale market. They've got 10 scale systems too, but I really believe that their bread and butter is in this micro mini scale, and it does change the game. They really are doing some amazing stuff. And with that, I will be giving away this more beginner style system. We'll do it just randomly, or I'll get Rebecca to pick somebody from the comments. So be sure to leave a comment down below. We'll send this to you free of charge. And that's how you know it's not a scam. Because if it's a scam, they'll ask you for shipping and handling charges, and I don't do that. You scum. Not you, the scammers. Scummers. That's what I'm calling them from now on. All right, so let's get quickly into the install. This could not be simpler. All right, so to install this Furatech system, you will need an Ascent 18. That is sort of mandatory for this process. The first thing you'll be doing is removing that ESC receiver combo and the brushed motor. This is pretty simple. 4 screws hold the transmission in place. Once you've got those freed up, you will get rid of the screws that are attaching the transmission portion together. You'll have to remove those drive shafts as well. They require a small Phillips head screwdriver. Pull out all your gears. I think I've got the upgraded gears in there already, so this is an already upgraded truck. Remove the 2 screws that are holding the brushed motor in place and replace it with this Cedar brushless motor. Now, Furatech already installs the pinion for you, so no muss, no fuss. Put those 2 screws back in, add all your gears back in, and seal up your transmission, and that portion of the install is complete. Very easy. Now we're going to install the ESC portion of this build, and that could not be simpler either. Remove your existing ESC receiver combo and replace it with the new Furatech Python Pro. There are 3 inputs there, one for the motor, one for a battery lead, and one for a receiver lead. That's the battery lead right there. That's the receiver lead. And the motor lead we'll be installing here in a second. Here is the included FlySky receiver, and this will bind up perfectly with the included transmitter that comes with the RTR. To get that working, hold down the bind button, turn on the transmitter until you see the flashing green light, then turn on the truck. You can see everything's nicely installed there. The wires are free to roam. And now turn off the transmitter and turn it back on, and everything binds right up. It's super simple, and it's so nice that they include that receiver, and it just makes this a much more plug-and-play sort of solution. You can see there's a ton more wheel speed, like a lot more, and super low-range crawling. It just makes this truck really come alive, and the added torque, the added power is so beneficial. You'll find that it just becomes an entirely different driving experience, and one that I would highly recommend. It's a good upgrade, and Furatech does this upgrade for a lot of different vehicles. So go check out their website. I'll be sure to put a link down below to where you can pick all of these things up. And there you go, a fully upgraded Ascent 18. I'm really quite chuffed with the Suga body, as you might expect, but having a new brushless system in there really does change this dynamic for the better. It's a really excellent truck now. Yeah, one of my favorite mini RC crawlers. Thanks so much to Furatech for sending those two systems my way, and of course to you for watching and potentially winning this one right here. We'll see you again soon.